too bad. More gunshots.
Don't put your light directly on him. It's reflecting off the wings real bad. Go like a little bit below him. Yeah, that works. Got some good stills though. Alrighty.
You hear that, Jim?
Let's have a little gangbang party, huh?
Bang, 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 bang. I reckon.
Sound like a 9mm.
A good car with it. Music blaring. It was like a couple blocks over, maybe half a block of down, something like that there. A little while ago we heard a couple of shots over on the main drag.
This is so awesome.
I hope it comes out good.
This is so awesome.
You just said that, man.
Well, I'm gonna say it again. This is so awesome. This is so cool. Oh my god. I can't believe that tiny little body is going to be so big that these wings fit along it perfectly when it's all said and done.
Have you looked at our stuff lately, Jenny? I put a video on there a couple of days ago. The primrose is blooming. Well, you answering me or him? Jenny, I asked you, had you gone on and looked at our stuff lately? Because a couple of days ago I put a video of primrose blooming on the YouTube thing. Yeah, we got 5 comments in a couple of hours. A lot of people are watching our stuff now.
Yeah, apparently we're popular.
Yeah, we could have people stop her on the street and say, "Oh, you're that lady with taking the pictures, right?"
One of them said, "Hey, you're that horse lady, aren't you?" He's slowly climbing down his former skin.
Dang, mosquito's trying to take a fort.
Well, the deep is somewhere over there in the grass. I dropped it as I came over because I didn't want to get it near him. Fear it might kill him. Her, it, whatever.
Oh, she's going up a tree. So.
He's climbing down, not up.
He's probably trying to climb up and ain't making it. That's what it is.
You know, Kalana, one of the teachers from the Indian room,
Yeah.
tried to tell me every female mosquito you hit, you leave about a million orphans. And I said, cool, I'm going to go for the world record of most orphans. I think it was Kalana.
What, are we supposed to feel guilty about killing mosquitoes?
Yes!
Oh no.
She wanted me to feel bad that I was killing a mother. Said, hey, the more mothers I kill, the fewer people die of West Nile and shit. I'm doing my part to save the planet. That's not going to feel bad for killing a mosquito. I'm sorry, I'm not that Indian. I've told everybody that. I'm half Scottish, I'm half Indian, but I ain't that Indian. Damn,
yeah,
bright beans.
They're saying that they got no break up the West Nile virus here in Richmond again.
They've had a case?
They found a bunch of the
Mosquitoes?
mosquitoes with it.
I don't know, maybe I'm immune. I'm a damn mosquito smorgasbord and I've yet to come down West Nile. This is just so friggin' amazing. And yes, I know I said that already. I wonder if we're confusing him with the headlamps.
Yeah, I wondered if the light was slowing him down.
Well, I can't film him in red.
Oh, what'd you? Oh, okay.
Dave, how much time is on the camera? Can you see?
It's at 6:51.
Okay.
Yeah.
Turn your lights off. Turn lower.
Well, we'll put it down there. Might as well not have it on.
Okay. Well, right now
Yours
that's fine.
is off, and you can move it.
That's cool. How'd you do that?
It tilts down, remember?
Oh yeah.
Laid it on its back and tilted it.
Sorry, I forgot about that. I don't want the light directly on him. Damn, little buddy, you're taking your time, aren't you?
Yeah. It's a traumatic situation for him.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, that sounds wholesome.
What? Never
He
mind.
made homemade lasagna and banana bread.
I hate lasagna. It's like a fucked up pizza. Well, I've never had a lasagna where the noodles weren't still hard as crap. And everything else burnt.
Somebody didn't. That's overcooked.
The noodles weren't soft enough, so they cooked it longer and burnt everything but the dang noodles.
Jenny, how do you cook it to make the lasagna noodles stay soft?